this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to remove the face covers on your PS5 Pro. So I have it flipped around right now. So this is the bottom, and this is where you can access the SSD expansion bay, or if you're going to be adding a disk drive. So you can see all these PlayStation symbols in the back right. This is where you want to lift up with your hand, and then just lift it up and you can hear all these little things on clip, and it should come off really easy. So if you have the disk drive, you can place it in right here, and then we want to go to the other side. Now to get this off, instead of the back right, you want to go to the front right and just lift up right here, and this will pop off as well. And here is the SSD expansion bay. You can place your SSD from your PlayStation 5 in here with all your games, and then you should be good to go. And you can clean out the fan if you want. Looks like we have easy access to that as well. So you can do the same thing on the opposite side. It should just lift off a similar way. Now to get these on is a little bit tricky because it isn't like the PS5. We just have to align this side right here first and then push down. So we're going to be putting it on the opposite way we took it off. So if that makes sense. So we're going to start in the bottom left, then go to the top right. So let's just align it here, and then push down, and then clip on the top right first, and then clip it in and push. And you might turn on your PS5. And then push in, and you should hear everything clip in. Now this is going to take you some effort and some multiple tries to get in. It's not the easiest thing, but just take it off the opposite, you put it on. So there it is, it's clipped in. I heard it. Now let's go to this side. Now to put this cover on, it's the opposite side over here. So let's go to this side, push down. Then I'm going to start over here and work my way towards the middle. And it should snap down. Yep, there we go. Easy peasy. And then if you don't know these things, the little plastic pieces, they just simply go right here on the back, and this will elevate your PS5 Pro for horizontal mode. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.